Good morning, welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some cloudy skies out there this morning, going to become mostly cloudy this afternoon. We'll continue with this slightly breezy to breezy onshore flow. We'll have temperatures cooler than they were yesterday in the upper 70s today for highs, after we did set the all-time record high for October yesterday at 93 degrees. Looking at our current surface analysis, we have a cold front has moved through the region this morning, providing us with this low-level cloud cover and northeasterly winds behind that cold front. Have some showers across the Great Lakes and the northern Mid-Atlantic states. Not going to see any of that in the Wallops region today, as we'll just have that marine layer and fairly stable conditions across the region. Looking at our current observation as of 8 o'clock this morning, we had an overcast deck at 900 feet. Winds were out of a northeasterly component at 70 degrees, 15 knots sustained, temperature at 72 degrees, and relative humidity at 83%. Looking at our satellite imagery this morning, you can see we have this low-level cloud cover on our near-infrared imagery, as well as some mid-level cloud cover north of the region. Looking at our radar this morning, we have that rain shower activity across the northern Mid-Atlantic states as well as New England. That'll stay north of our region today. And looking at our 3-kilometer NAM model, derived reflectivity, you can see some rain showers north of the region this morning and this afternoon, continuing to move away from the region. By this afternoon, we should see a few breaks in the clouds as that marine layer gets mixed out a little bit by the daytime heating, and we'll move into the overnight hours. We'll see a cold front approach. We'll have a warm front move through during the late evening hours, and into the overnight hours we'll have a cold front approach from the north and west, and that'll provide us with some breezier conditions by tomorrow morning as that front moves through the region. And by tomorrow afternoon we'll just see mostly sunny skies, lower humidity values, and a really nice day overall. It will be fairly breezy with winds around 25 knots, gusting at times. Looking at our risk chart for today, we'll have no chance of precipitation or lightning. Winds briefly were at that 25 knot criteria this morning. They have since went down, and we do have a yellow for winds and expecting around 23 knots gusting, and could be seeing that possibly at 25 knots this morning. We'll see those winds northeasterly sustained 12 to 17 knots. This afternoon we'll see those northeasterly winds start to decrease around 9 to 14 knots, and overnight we'll see those winds becoming southwesterly and then back to northwesterly. For the Friday morning around 8 local, we'll see those northwesterly winds 10 to 15 knots, gust to 24, and we'll have a yellow for those winds due to that gust to 24 knots. Our ceilings will be around 500 feet for the late evening and overnight hours, as we'll see a warm front move back through the region, and that'll provide us with those lower ceilings. Our high around 79 degrees today, low around 71 by tomorrow morning. Our 24-hour terminal forecast will have those lower ceilings today, 900 feet this morning. I'll see around 1,000 to 1,500 feet for the afternoon hours. Possibility that we do have VFR conditions for a short time period this afternoon, but overall should see that broken deck around 1,000 feet stay in the area today. And by 1800 local, as I mentioned, we'll have those ceilings lower with that warm front moving towards the region with a broken deck at 600 feet. Possibility of an overcast deck at 600 feet as well. By tomorrow morning, should see those clouds start to clear. By 8 o'clock or 8 local, we'll see a few different decks out there with a few at 2,000, scattered 5,000, and scattered 8,000 with partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies. Our tides are slightly above normal, and looking at Friday through Saturday, Friday will be mostly sunny to partly cloudy and breezy, less humid, high of 78 degrees. On orange for our winds, should see that wind around 25 knots during the morning and early afternoon. For Friday night, we'll have partly to mostly cloudy skies with seasonable temperatures, a low of 52 degrees, so cooler and more seasonable. We've had those lows about 10 to 15 degrees above normal this time of year for quite a while now, so we'll actually see those lows near those seasonable temperatures in the lower 50s. And for Saturday, we'll have mostly cloudy, slightly breezy, and cooler temperatures, a high of 67 degrees with a green chart across the board. That'll complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. Back at 10 o'clock to look at the next 7 days.